Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm very excited to have this in front of me. It's one of those products where I look at, then I add it into my cart, and then I, step away, and I was like, okay, that's too much. Then I add it back into my cart, and so on and so forth. So anyway, you know the feeling here. So yeah, Apple AirPod Max right here. Yeah, I've been going back and forth. I don't know why it took me so long. Actually, I do know why it took me so long. It's because I've been waiting for Apple to come out with the new version of it. I've kind of gotten into the game kind of late. I looked at this thing like I think 2 years already after they've released it, and so I was like, there's got to be a new version somewhere down the line. So yeah, right here, this is it, AirPod Max. So as you can see, I have here the silver version, aka white version, because the band on the top is white, but the ear cups are silver. This is pretty high quality is the word I have for this. No headphones out there has this kind of quality feel to it. And I bought every single headphone that has come out to the market so far. And this is the most high quality headphones I've ever unboxed. The material on this is just amazing. It feels so high quality. And that gloss, I'm almost afraid to like put fingerprint on it, but look, you can't put fingerprint on it. See that? And my hands are sweaty. Yeah, I have sweaty hands. This right here, the hinge, there's a little elastic pull to it. You see that? It's gonna add to that comfort, I'm pretty sure. I wish most headphones actually have this, because this is where I think it's gonna relieve the pressure on your head. If you've ever worn one of these over-the-ear headphones before, some of them can crush your head. And I think this is gonna help quite a bit. Pulling this, I mean, there's a lot of hydraulic kind of pressure to it, so it's not like it's gonna move. Yeah, see, I can't even push this in right now. There we go. It's pretty hard to push in and out. This right here though, the mesh material right here, I can't really explain it, but it's a lot softer than most of the mesh that I've ever touched before. If I take a pen and accidentally poke it, I think it will tear. I do like that they use physical buttons on these. It's very nice. The dial has no clicks to it. There's no click to this dial at all. But there are some resistance when you're using it. So it looks like this might be a lightning port. I actually did not read up on the specs on this at all, guys, so this is my first time seeing this. So yeah, according to this here, this is lightning. You have it. So lightning to USB-C. I wish it was all USB-C, but obviously they gotta save that for the next version, right? I just want to point out that there are no stickers in the instruction booklet pack. A little disappointed in that. So this here is the famous case that everyone's talking about. I think I put it in correctly. No, I don't think I put it in correctly. There's a magnet right here. I mean, it's not going to do much in my bag, in my opinion. But at least I can charge it while it's in this case. Okay, to give Apple credit though, this case is actually pretty nice. This material here, I'm not sure what it is. It's like a, it's not plastic. It's one of those really nice, soft leather-ish. Leather-ish. There's a sway inside here. Feels really good. I mean, to give them credit, they did do a good job on this case. So the next thing I want to do is I want to show you guys what this headphones sounds like. All right, guys. So I'm wearing these headphones right here, where it really records the surround sound environment, so it makes it feel like it's really you're actually there. So let me just show you what that sounds like. All right. So when I put these headphones on, you should be able to get the full experience. All right. So let's go ahead and do it. So right now I've turned on some airport sound on my speaker back here. I have transparency mode on right now. Let you guys listen to it real quick. Now I'm going to turn on noise cancellation. And now I've turned it on full blast. A lot louder now. Let's try it again. Noise cancellation now. Transparency. Noise cancellation. I'm not even going to tell you guys when I turn on and off anymore, so listen up. Okay, so I think you guys get the whole point there. Noise cancellation is pretty darn good. Not gonna complain there. The headband is a bit tight. I think I'm gonna have to wear this thing in. It does, like, my head is really big, and so I do feel that it is a little tight, or is trying to like hold together. It's a little too tight for me, but I'm pretty sure the more I use it, the more it'll expand. So that's the other thing that I'm gonna have to play around with right there. So guys, in conclusion, I think this is really high quality headphones. It's actually way too high quality in my opinion. I'm actually afraid to like scratch it or anything like that, because look how polished it looks in here. I mean, I'm afraid to put any kind of scratch on it because you can definitely see it. But in conclusion, the noise cancellation is amazing. The audio quality, I can already tell from that one song that I was playing, amazing. I'm gonna have to do more tests with this, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.